Export documents. In exporting, different export documents are typically used. Common export-related documents, certificates of origin, other certificates for shipments of specific goods, export licenses, temporary shipment documents. Common export documents include bill of lading, commercial invoice, export packing list. Bill of lading is a shipping document that is issued by the carrier to the shipper for receipt of the goods. It is a contract between the owner of the goods and the carrier to deliver the goods, which gives detail of a consignment, its destination, and the consignee. Inland bill of lading is issued by the trucking company or the railroad line for taking the goods from the exporter's facility to the port of embarkation or consolidation facility. The ocean bill of lading is a document required for the transportation of goods overseas. The document specifies the details of the goods that have to be transported, such as quantity, type, and destination. The onboard bill of lading is issued for goods which have been loaded onto the ship. The through bill of lading is issued when the goods are to be transported by more than one carrier. The container bill of lading is issued for the transportation of containerized goods. The groupage bill of lading is issued for grouped consignments. Airway bill is issued when goods are sent by air. Airway bills are non-negotiable, mainly because of the short amount of time that the goods are in transit. An invoice is a document that contains specific information regarding the goods shipped. Commercial invoice is a seller's formal request for payment. It is prepared by the seller or exporter and addressed to the buyer or importer. The invoice identifies the buyer and seller, describes the goods sold, and all terms of sale, including Incoterms, payment terms, relevant bank information, shipping details, etc. Pro forma invoice is an invoice sent to the buyer before the actual shipment. It gives the buyer a chance to review the sale terms, quantity of goods, value, specifications, and get an import license if required. It also allows the buyer to work with their bank to arrange any financial process for payment. For example, to open a documentary credit, letter of credit, the buyer's bank will use the pro forma invoice as a source of information. Customs invoice is a special kind of invoice for the customs authorities of the importing country. It contains additional information such as domestic value and export price of the goods. Consular invoice is the evidence that the goods which are imported are not overpriced. Export packing list is a formal document that itemizes a number of details about the cargo, such as seller, buyer, shipper, invoice number, date of shipment, mode of transport, carrier, description, the type of package, a box, crate, drum, or carton, the quantity of packages, total net and gross weight in kilograms, package marks, etc. The details on the packing list match exactly with what is specified on the commercial invoice and bill of lading, but pricing information is not required on the packing list.